Still got a lot out there. I think that's the key thing to note. You look at the radar, you've got a ton of purple.
Look at the potential weather ahead, please.
New York, Massachusetts,
Track all the
Pennsylvania, New Jersey,
states.
even back through the Ohio Valley. You've got the green indicating the very heavy rain coming down in some spots, and a lot of the pink, especially in the Mid-Atlantic, the Carolinas, Georgia, that indicating the sleet, the freezing rain. But we also have some pink down here. See that? Down near the Gulf Coast? That's not freezing rain, though. That is actually tornado warnings.
Oh
so
my
we've got
God.
several of them right now, right here across Alabama, Georgia, and even into the panhandle of Florida. The orange color indicating some of those severe thunderstorm warnings. So you have a very strong line of thunderstorms that is also moving through because the temperatures down there are in the 60s and 70s. It is incredibly warm air along the southern side. So you have this tornado watch that is in effect until 6 p.m. Central Time today as that line continues to move through. On the northern side, again, the big concern here is going to be the frozen precipitation, but also the wind. So in areas where the snow is starting to pile up, the ice is starting to accumulate, you have that wind and it blows around some of those tree branches. The weight of the ice and the snow is just simply too much. And so you are still likely to see some tree limbings coming down, some power lines coming down. So additional power outages are possible as we continue out the rest of the day today. This system will continue to slide off to the north and east, taking with it the potential for more ice and snow. We've already had 3/4 of an inch of ice fall across portions just around Nashville, Tennessee. Several other states, Louisiana, Tennessee, Kentucky, looking at roughly 1/2 an inch of ice accumulation, and more is expected. A lot of these areas here could pick up an additional 1/4 inch of an ice, and for some of these, keep in mind, it's on top of what they've already had, especially across North and South Carolina, where we've already had some ice. Now, for the rest of the evening, again, the focus is really going to shift along the eastern seaboard here. That's where we're going to have some of the biggest impacts, especially up across portions of the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic as the rest of that system really ramps up through the evening hours, but it will finally end by the time we get to early